Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to save Instagram story with music in gallery. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you have updated it, open Instagram and log into your account. Now add a picture or video that you want to post as a story. Once you select it, go to sticker icon at the top, tap on music. Now you can add any song from this list, or you can also search for the song that you like. After adding a song, you can choose any style and part of the song that you want in the video. When you are satisfied with your story, tap on Save option at the top. This will take few seconds. Now exit Instagram and go to Photos app. Here you will see that your story is saved with music. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.